going to copy my security code and then click the Safari extension. This takes me to the Apple Store, and I will click View in Mac App Store. I can see here the Merit Challenge extension, and I can review information about it. I click Get and Install. Now I can click Open. I'm going to check this checkbox, and then I can close. And now I will paste in that security code that I was given earlier and click Save. Now you can see these results. You can tell that I've taken the speed test a few times, but the first time that you take it, you'll see probably just one of these screens. Now I can close out this window and close this window, and then I'm back here. I'll go click Finish. Yes, I downloaded the extension, and I see the final screen reminding me that the hours that the speed test will run. And then we click Close, and we're all set. Thank you for joining us.